had to cut the video out because like there was a firework and like we could just like smell, and I didn't want to burn my phone down or anything. So like yeah, we had to stop the video. Ooh, the shatters of glass everywhere. Yeah, so we're just on Troy Road in Molly, I think. Yeah, I don't know, like it's really like Molly and Leeds, like really similar, like I don't know, because they're in the same place. Molly's in Leeds and Leeds is in Molly's in Leeds. Oh guys, we found some fireworks. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can get you guys to see them, but let me just like put you guys like out of the window. Oh yeah, I can get you to see them. Look, guys, look. Oh, there's a bird. Look, guys.
It's a bonfire.
See that fire over there?
Bonfire.
Did you see that fire, guys? It was crazy. Like, it was totally crazy. Like, it was like really crazy over there. Oh, they were just making fireworks over there at the pub. Yeah, we're just gonna pass the pub. I don't know where we're driving. We're just driving in a circle, I guess, until they do more fireworks. So we can see the fireworks, and I can show you guys like the fireworks. This is part 2. Might have to do like 4 parts or something like that. You're not allowed to park here. It says no parking. Whoa, it's getting really dark. I think I should have brought my glow stick. My
Your
light.
glow stick's over.
No, I have a different one.
It's finished.
I have a different.
Oh.
Yeah, I had like a Halloween one that I brought trick or treating with me. Yeah, I like lightened up so we know where we're going. I could see yellow. Oh, that's just a map.
Oh, look.
Oh, over there, guys.
Oh. Oh, he's just got one like outside the pub.
Guys, that's how they
Oh, it's
light.
a sparkler, look.
That's how they light the fireworks. It's crazy.
That's a sparkler. Right, let's go and see what else we can find.
Yeah, okay.
Would you like to put your window up for now?
Nah, I'll keep it up. Just in case. It's like, oh, I just heard one. I just heard that. I heard that. Guys, did you hear it? Hit the like button if you heard that fire. If you heard that, I think that one kind of sounded like a firecracker. But hit the like button if you heard that firework. That one kind of sounds like a firecracker. Okay, we're getting really far now. Like, I don't know where we're going. Do you know where we're going?
Yeah, East Ardsley.
Ah, we're going to my school. Okay, so
We're on a bonfire hunt.
yeah.
Brianna's vlogging on YouTube.
Yeah, totally. So, guys, we're not getting any fireworks at the moment. We need to get some fireworks over here. But we're not getting any at the moment. But, I keep getting, like, a lighting system on my phone. And it keeps telling me that your lighting is not good at your surroundings. Go to a lighter place. I've just done that, so we're just gonna be in the car. Ooh, look at the Halloween decorations! Try not to drop my phone, but out the window. I don't want to do that. You guys can see out of the window now. Yeah, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing that. We're talking. So yeah, it's a little dark when I show you because it's what's happening now? 7 p.m. right now. Like,
Yeah, it's a late night drive. It's 7:30 p.m.
it's 7:38 p.m. already.
Going past where you do brownies.
Oh, nice. I do a lot of clubs. I do school.
You like clubs?
I do Ace Stagecoach. I do Ace Coach. And I do brownies. And I used to do rainbows, but yeah, I completed that. I got too old for it. Because you can only say rainbows until you're 7. And you have to leave. You have to leave when you're 7, right? On your birthday, right? So you have to leave on your birthday. When you're 7.
Right, the windows are going to have to go up a minute just because I'm not very well, just till we get there.
Right.
Thanks, honey.
So just the windows up.
Just keep me warm a minute, okay? I'm not brought my gloves either and I don't have a hat. I'm having a fail.
See you guys report. What?
Fireworks over there at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
That's what they say, 2 o'clock.
See you guys for part 3.